Okay.
Andy Singer's bike desk.
Yeah. All right. Oh. All right.
I Hate Wednesdays is sponsored by Carrier. Furnace sucks, good luck. Dear America, as of now, I will be taking forth my duty to bring you I Hate Wednesdays. Happy New Year, God bless, and I hopefully to see you on the other side. Send. Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. More importantly, alright, did it just stop? Oh my god, I hate this thing. That first, that first been running all day. I'm about to go downstairs and it just stopped. I hate this day. Anyways, welcome back to I Hate Wednesdays, Volume 4. Today is January 3rd, 2018. I swear I was just about to say 2017. That's no more. Today we're having a little furnace problems. It's been running non-stop since yesterday morning. And it's been going like... like that sound when it comes back on. I'm going to show you what sound it actually makes. Because that was like a perfect representation. My mom called the guy, help check the furnace. I've been running non-stop for 40 hours. So... we want to call him, and we do. It's making a weird noise. Then she hangs up the phone, and the furnace stops. Oh, great timing! So I'm waiting for that furnace to turn on. We'll go downstairs when it starts up again. Alright, I'm going to play my favorite game, according to my driving skills, American Truck Simulator. So, let's begin. I am American Truck. Drive. Oh, I need a quick job, actually. So, the main reason I hate Wednesdays is the busiest day of my week, and I have no time to do anything. So, I take that day, and I make sure I do something with it, and call it I Hate Wednesdays. That's what I do. What's that beeping noise? Is that your air fryer? Yep. It's not the smoke detector. Alright, so, let's play. Truck on. Drive and execute. Hang on. Did it just turn on again? It turned on! Alright, let's go. So it's gonna make this weird noise that I don't like. That is the weirdest sound I ever heard in my entire life. Don't you agree, Turkey? It agrees solemnly. It's not hot or anything, but it's from Carrier Performance Series. And it's so loud. I might write a complaint to them. Problem after problem after problem. Did I even shut the door in there? Yeah, I did. I think it was this one. Now the problem was the filter. Why is it the filter? I don't know. We never had to change a filter in this house since 1992. Excuse me, 1971. So the guy just left. He told us to get a new filter. So we're gonna go get filters. Why do I need a filter? Because I hate Wednesdays. So come along for the ride. I don't care what you do. What a better day than Wednesday to go out and do pointless errands for our stupid warm giver. You're sure they have?
I called, yeah.
Oh.
Save us a trip to Home Depot.
Alright. Unless you do want to go to Home Depot. No, alright. Yeah. I should start facing upwards when they vlog. Like this. Like, this is perfect. Well, like this. Yeah. This will be the last time I do this. This is a lot better, actually. I never even thought to do this. And if I forget, let me know in the comments. I'll try not to forget. But it looks like if I'm filling people ahead of me, that's what gets... My mouth is dirty, I'm sorry. I hate Wednesdays is throwing me a lot of food at my face. Out of we bus. We made it to the hardware store and just hope they have it. One of my favorite sections of the store is the bolt section. Where are the filters? I don't know what a filter looks like. You know, how am I supposed to know? PVC pipes are the best thing about me. Will this blind me? Oh, it's potting soil. And I hate when this alright, ready to head home?
You said you wanted Wendy's.
I do. See if they can get that right. Oh, wait. Oh, I want Dunkin's. Let's see what they can mess up this time. Ugh. I couldn't film much in the hardware store because there were too many persons of interest or persons in the aisle. So I decided not to film as much because everywhere I go, there's a persons of interest in that aisle. The sun is so bright. First of all, what made you so excited to go to Wendy's that you had to foil a line, there's cars behind us, to circle around the parking lot? They swear they need to change this location. So we got here at 3:25, I believe. Let's do a time lapse here. We've been here for 12 continuous minutes, and only one car has gone through. So, where are we right now? Right here. 3 cars away.
Nuts.
Yeah.
That's averages 7.5 minutes per car.
Mm-hmm. Where is that coming from? I hate these Wednesdays.
That's a total of like 35, 40 minutes. It must have been an accident.
Probably. There's the next one. I hate Wednesdays is on the rescue.
Slowest drive-through in the history of drive-thrus.
18 minutes in. Next car. Experiencing trouble in the
She says, "Can you
drive-thru?
hold on?" I'll say, "No, I can't."
Alright, let's see what they say.
Seriously.
And no one speaks.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Second window, no wonder. Oh god.
how much is it? 5? So,
I don't even know what she said. She just said
29.
second window.
no, she
wants-
said the price for them.
I don't know. I hate Wednesdays getting work. They're still waiting at the drive-thru like 10 minutes later. 3:45. 20 minutes in. Yeah, we lost like 5 miles of gas sitting here, right? Seriously, we did.
We went to McDonald's. You
That's-
seen the action?
I don't know. That's like the 10th police car right now. Like, seriously. Like, oh, I'm doing it again. Oh, crap. Where is it? Like, oh. Oh, there it is. That's an ambulance. Alright, we were in that drive-thru line for exactly 25 minutes. If you don't know what that equals, it's about a drive from here to Boston nonstop. That's how long it took, and let's see if they got everything right. Whoa, the filter just fell on.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. People think you're blurry face and I care what you think. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe without your kisses.
I just heard from an unreliable source, Facebook. They swapped out the zodiac signs for new ones. I'm an Aquarius originally, but now I'm an angry panda. Sorry, I was about to say angry grandpa for some reason. Angry panda. From January 1st to February 28th, you hate everything. Does that ring a bell or something? I hate Wednesdays. Angry panda. Thank you for watching the vlog today, guys. most importantly, I really hope you don't hate Wednesdays. It's just my problem. Mine. Thank you for watching, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Vlog 99. It's going to be snowing about 12, 14 inches. So, we'll plan something different. Winter storm. And then the day after that, vlog 100. Very, very close. So, that's going to be a really exciting vlog. And that's 1/10 away from 1,000 vlogs. Yikes. But when I reach 1,000, I'm done. Quit. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.